Hey friends, I'm Alex and I'm super duper Christian, and one of my challenges as a Christian father of young children is to teach them gospel principles, teach them Christian values of hard work, honesty, patience, love, kindness, etc. I'm also an AI enthusiast. I'm currently subscribing, paying for about 5 different AI software apps, and it's been a lot of fun playing around with them. One thing I found to be incredibly useful is using AI to generate short stories to teach my children gospel Christian values. And now I know you probably are thinking that sounds crazy, like I don't want a robot or an artificial intelligence to be teaching my children. I want to teach them heart to heart, and I would agree with you. I think we should be teaching our children heart to heart. But I'll tell you what, AI can make teaching certain principles and lessons super easy and incredibly entertaining and engaging for your children. You can tell AI, like, hey, write a short story about kindness and incorporate these elements and these characters. You could even put in your child's name into the story if you feel comfortable doing that. And, you know, instantly the story will be writing itself. And I've done this multiple times, having stories, you know, there's a story of the golden apple that taught honesty. And last night we had our children climbing on the table that I was worried it might get broken. So I asked AI to come up with a story that taught the principle of obeying your parents and never climbing on the table again. And it told this really engaging story, and it communicated what I wanted to communicate. And it just, you know, I just had to tell the AI what to generate. All right, guys, so we're gonna test it out. We're gonna go on ChatGPT's website and we're gonna give it a prompt. We're gonna say, write a short story that teaches the importance of always being honest, even when it's hard. Include several Bible verses. Make the name of the main character Aaron. Let's see what it comes up with. Once upon a time, in the quiet, peaceful town of Bethel, lived a man named Aaron. He was known throughout the town as a man of faith, respected by all for his unshakable integrity and moral fiber. Aaron had a modest workshop where he had crafted beautiful pieces of furniture from the finest woods, each piece a testament to his skill and dedication. One day, a wealthy merchant named Samuel approached Aaron with a grand request to create an exquisite chair, a centerpiece to mark the occasion of his daughter's upcoming wedding. Samuel had a design in mind, an opulent creation embellished with fine gold and silver. He handed Aaron a pouch filled with gold coins, a significant sum, and Aaron accepted the commission, promising to create a piece befitting the occasion. As days turned into weeks, Aaron faced unexpected challenges. The exotic woods that Samuel requested were difficult to procure, and the cost of the gold and silver for the embellishments was much higher than anticipated. Aaron found himself in a moral quandary. He could substitute cheaper materials and likely nobody would ever know. Or he could be honest and risk disappointing Samuel and possibly losing future business. In this moment of deep conflict, Aaron remembered a verse from the book of Proverbs 12:22. Lying lips are an abomination to the Lord, but they that deal truly are his delight. With this scripture in his heart, Aaron decided to do what he knew was right. He went to Samuel and told him about the predicament. Samuel was initially disappointed, but appreciated Aaron's honesty. Aaron quoted another verse, this time from Ephesians 4:25. Therefore, having put away falsehood, let each one of you speak the truth with his neighbor, for we are members of one another. Samuel, moved by Aaron's integrity, agreed to cover the extra costs, impressed more than ever by the craftsman's commitment to honesty. Aaron worked tirelessly, pouring his heart and soul into the chair. The day of the wedding finally came, and the chair was more beautiful than anyone could have imagined. The townsfolk admired the beautiful piece, and more importantly, they admired Aaron's courage and honesty, enhancing his reputation even further. That night, Aaron looked up at the starlit sky and whispered a prayer of gratitude. He knew that he had made the right decision. As he headed home, a verse from Proverbs 10:9. Whoever walks in integrity walks securely, but he who makes his ways crooked will be found out, echoed in his mind. The story of Aaron and the wedding chair spread throughout Bethel and beyond, reminding everyone that honesty, even when challenging, is a virtue that always wins. Aaron's tale served as a living example of the scripture from Luke 16:10. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. And whoever is dishonest with very little will also be dishonest with much. Aaron's story carries a powerful lesson that echoes through time. Honesty is more than a virtue. It is a foundation upon which character is built. Respect is earned and trust is established. His story serves as a constant reminder that even in times of challenge and uncertainty, honesty should never be compromised. Isn't that incredible? And I've done this multiple times, and it's neat how you can just tell ChatGPT, hey, include this element, make this happen in the story, make this be the lesson learned at the end of the story. And a minute later, you'll start writing this beautiful, beautiful story that you can read out loud. Anyways, I invite you to give it a try and let me know in the comment section how it goes. If you come up with any other Christian applications for using ChatGPT, go ahead and comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see other similar videos in the future, go ahead, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.